There are 4 specific ways that you can use ChatGPT today to make you tens of thousands of dollars. And they're super simple. I'm going to show you how each of them works and give you the prompts that you need to use completely for free. Most people are using AI on level 1 to get strategy and clarity and encouragement, and that's okay. But that's like using a high-speed sports car to take your kid to soccer practice. In this video, I'll teach you how to use AI from level 1 to level 4, so you can really harness all of the power that's built into it. And that level 4 feature is something called agent mode, which is only a few weeks old and is absolutely mind-blowing. So if you can start using it now, you're gonna get way ahead of the competition. My name is Lili if you're new to the channel, and this is where I document my financial freedom journey and bring you along with me. I have a $1 million real estate portfolio and a 6-figure online business where I work around 4 hours per day, and my $20 ChatGPT subscription is one of the highest ROI things that I spend money on every month, and I want to show you why you might not be using it to its fullest potential. Let's go ahead and dive into prompt number 1. This prompt is all around taking the chat history that you have if you've been using ChatGPT for any amount of time and really using it to not just give chat the opportunity to tell you what your strengths and weaknesses are, what your opportunities and blind spots are, but we're going to use ChatGPT to program ChatGPT to make all of your future chats even more valuable. So as I put this prompt in, the first thing that I'm going to get is a breakdown of my different behavior patterns, strengths, gaps, opportunities, and it might feel a little scary to get read like this, but I think it's really valuable, and we're all here to get better, make more money, and so at least it's not a real person that's reading you to filth potentially. These are super, super accurate. So I consistently focus on financial time and location freedom. My goal is to build a business that runs without me. I'm using chat to help me systemize, create SOPs, et cetera, I want to make world-class content. I want to delegate and empower my team. These are all like super accurate. And the more chat history you have, obviously, the more accurate this is going to be. Ooh, I do think this is also pretty accurate for some of the things that I'm getting stuck in. Over ownership of sales and funnel execution, switching between strategic and operational modes. But the really valuable part of this that I want you to see is down here at the bottom. It's going to give you this personalized prompt that you're going to give back to chat in a very specific way, not here in the main area. I'll show you in just a second. But this is going to tell ChatGPT that it's your expert, your virtual, what is this? Why can I not think of the word for COO? Chief Operations Officer, something like that. Okay, it's going to basically be telling itself all of the things that it needs to help you do. And what you're going to do is then take this information, this prompt, you're going to copy it, and you're going to come down here to where you have your profile and your settings. And then you're going to go to personalization, and you are going to give custom instructions and turn that on. And you can see I actually have a prompt in here already. If you want to give like yourself a nickname, if you want chat to know what to call you, mine just calls me Lili. If you want to tell a little bit about who you are and what you do. But the most important one is this: what traits should ChatGPT have? So you can see that mine that's already in here is really focused on making sure that ChatGPT is not just giving me a positive feedback loop and saying that all of my ideas are good ideas. I want it to ask smart questions, challenge me when needed, research thoroughly, and at the end of the day, keep my stated goals of generating time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom top of mind, right? Be supportive, but don't be afraid to point something out. Talk to me like a trusted advisor. I don't like the cheerleader, everything you do is amazing, golden retriever energy that I was getting from ChatGPT sometime. And then this is an important one. We have a bias towards action, testing, and quickly adjusting. And so if you ever find yourself getting into the place where you're like going back and forth on strategy, it can be nice to prompt chat with this, because it will then tell you, hey, let's just try something, test it, and then change it up as we go. And then just because I was getting too many emojis, I added that there at the end. By the way, you can get all of these prompts inside of my free school community. Just go to liliinvest.com/community. You can join for free, head to the classroom tab. You'll see some free resources, and all the prompts that we're covering today, and maybe even a few more, will be there for you. This next prompt is actually specifically meant to be used with another tool, which is called the Financial Freedom Calculator. And it's all about helping us figure out how much more our ideal financially free life is going to cost over the average American. And so we can really put a number on that financial freedom. That's going to help us know where we're going. It's going to help us price our services to help us get there. but it can be kind of difficult to research and figure out. This is actually a task that a millionaire mentor had me do for about an hour and a half one day when we were working together. And this was a few years ago. And so now we can just go much faster and get those same results using ChatGPT. The important part here is that in each of these categories, we're going to describe what it is that we want our ideal financially free life to look like. I'm going to jump inside the slides of this 5-day self-funded freedom challenge that I do on Zoom, helping people build their businesses. And this is where I wrote out my answers to this prompt. This is just part of what we do to go in depth and utilize AI to build our businesses faster. You can see that I've described the ideal house that I want to live in, how I want to eat, how I want to travel. That's where you would enter into your chat prompt those specifics. And what it's going to give you at the end of the prompt is the percentage increase that your ideal life would be over the average American budgets, which I've got listed out here for you. And then you're going to use the free financial freedom calculator. You can find it linked in the top comment to come in here and enter in those numbers here in the yellow spots. So you can see the different categories, what the average monthly spend is for the average American family. And then this is the information you're going to put in from ChatGPT. So Chat might tell me that my ideal house is going to cost 129% more than the average American family, and I want to be able to spend 2,000% more on my vacations than the average American family. But I may say, in terms of transportation, I don't really need much fanciness, so I'm just going to give just 150% upgrade. Because I don't have a family right now, I may keep that at a 0% upgrade and just spend what the average family does. And all of this is going to put together and give me my financial freedom number, allowing me to know what is it that I need to make every month to live this ideal financially free life. And it's not that I have to get there today, but I can start stepping along that path and know where I'm going. And then the second part of the calculator, which you can play around with later on, is figuring out how many sales per month I need to reach that financial freedom number based on what I'm charging. So this tool and this prompt work together. And again, you can grab it inside of that school community. On the topic of pricing and helping your business make more money, I recently released this video talking about how in every single market or audience, there's going to be the top 20% of the market that has 80% of the budget. And typically when we're thinking about our offer and our services, we think about the bottom 80% that only has 20% of the budget. But one of the biggest breakthroughs that I had in pricing, which allowed me to take the pricing in my YouTube agency from $500 a month to $2,500 per month and get more happier customers, was the idea that you are paid in proportion to the value of the problem you solve, as determined by the person you solve it for. So what this prompt is going to help you do is analyze who your target audience or your ideal customer persona is. And it's going to split that market into those 3 distinct value tiers, helping you to understand who's the top 20% that has 80% of the budget. Then it'll help you figure out how do those 3 tiers of people solve that same problem differently. One of my favorite authors, Daniel Priestley, who has built multiple millions of dollars very quickly, uses the example of a divorce coach. There's going to be people who are just working a normal day job that are going to be a part of that mass market. Then there's going to be millionaires and billionaires who are the top 20% with 80% of the budget. They all have the same problem that they're trying to avoid a divorce, but those at the top of the market are going to value that problem very differently. If I am a billionaire, half of everything I own is a lot more than if I make 75 grand per year. So the value of the solution is determined by the person you solve the problem for. And then the way that you solve it is going to be different for those people. If I am a high-level divorce coach, I may move in with that billionaire and their spouse and literally mediate arguments at their dinner table to make sure that the marriage doesn't fall apart. And that is a very different delivery vehicle than the in-office, once a week for 1 hour sessions that I might do for a different part of the market. So this prompt will help you figure out what are some of the ways that you could deliver solutions for the same problem differently for different people and how much you should charge. All right, now we're really taking things to the next level because so far most of what we're doing has required us to give ChatGPT a good amount of inputs, information about ourselves, about our offer, the ideal life that we want to live. But with the new agent mode, where you click this plus button, you see agent mode, you're going to start out with a certain number of usages of this. every single month, and then it will reset. Again, this is just on the $20 per month plan, which is absolutely insane. This agent can actually go out onto the internet and work as if it was an actual person. It can go through and Google stuff and click links and read transcripts. And so I gave it this specific chat to go to my YouTube channel, analyze my last 3 long form videos, and based on the content that I shared, break them up into teaching points, ideas, and create both written content and visual content for me. And I'm not someone who likes like AI generated people. They just look weird to me. So I told it only use landscapes, text, inspirational images. And what it generated for me was pretty dang good, especially for the first time utilizing and prompting this agent. It worked for 11 minutes and it did exactly what I asked. It analyzed the key teaching points. It cited the different parts in the video where it went through and watched and gathered those teaching points from. It was able to distinguish the long form videos from the short form videos that I post, which is pretty cool. It created really, really great written content. Here's a Twitter thread for me. It even has a call to action to my main program where I help people build businesses that give them time, location, and financial freedom. And then when we get to the visual content, I think it still did a pretty good job. I might prompt it to change the text or the information a little bit, but this isn't bad. And this agent being able to go out and do things on the internet, research, watch videos, create content, send emails, analyze your calendar. There's almost an unlimited amount of ways that we can be using this in order to help bring more value to the people that we are serving. And I'm really excited to dive in. Like I said, you can get these prompts inside my free school community. Comment below, let me know how you use ChatGPT and AI in your business. And until next time, YouTube thinks you will love this video.